Alright. So Aaron, I don't really care what you do outside the class. But in the class, I will not entertain anything that you do which is outside math. Okay? Please don't do that. Now, so quickly touching up on the thing that we are going to cover today, we are going to talk about applying, how do you apply ratios, where is the practical application of that, what is ratios and tape diagrams, introduction to rates, and then percentage introduction and application of percentage in word problems.
That's a lot.
It's a lot. Okay.
Are we learning that throughout the class or just one class?
What is that?
Are we learning all those subjects throughout the class or just are we learning it all in one class?
We'll see. That depends on how much disturbance I get to effectively use the time. Hey Sangeeta. Alright, so let's get started and let's continue from where we had left yesterday. Hello Sundara. So we learned about what is ratio, what is fraction, what is decimal, and then we also touched upon the chicken egg story also, right? Chicken egg theory. And then we briefly touched upon the rate, the percentage. So today we will talk about rates, then we'll talk about percentage, we'll talk about some word problems, and then we'll talk about how do you apply rate, then we'll talk about rates. That is going to be another important thing. So let's look at what you guys already know, which is ratio. If I say A to B ratio, if I have two kids, and again I'm not saying that these are kids from my class, okay? These are the kids whom I don't know. So there are two kids, kid named A, whose weight is, let's say, 85 pounds. And there's a kid B whose weight is, let's say, 65 pounds. Okay? Now, and I did not say which grade they are in.
So
Okay, so that is a waste of time. Don't even talk about it. So we have two kids. One kid is weighing 85 pounds, second kid is weighing 65 pounds. Find out what is the ratio of their weights.
simplified?
No.
Or are you saying together?
Stop blabbering, stop murmuring. Let me complete. When there's a question, I will ask. Is that funny?
No, it's a fault. I just said a few minutes ago.
That is why I was saying we will not be able to cover even one topic if this kind of things happen. Now, so when I have to find out the ratio of the weights, it will be 85 is to 65 or 65 is to 85, depending on which one we want to keep as a base. If I say A to B ratio, this will be the case. If I say B to A ratio, this will be the weight. This is the value. Okay? And you can always represent this in the fraction form. 85 to 65 is nothing but 85 by 65. And 65 to 85, you can always represent this in the fraction form as 65 by 85. Is this part clear so far? Nothing new, right? Yep. Now, the next thing is, if we have two values, two numbers, and if we have to find out the percentage. If I say, I bought a shoe for, Mr. Birendra Kumar bought a shoe for $40. Very low quality shoe, okay? And let's say Dikshita bought a shoe for $120. Okay? Dikshita wanted a good branded shoe compared to me going for a very low end shoe. So, what percentage is my expense against Dikshita's expense? What percentage of money I spend compared to Dikshita's spend?
$8 difference?
That is why even if I have told you tried at least 50 times, what did you do? You jumped to Nike without thinking, without reading. Yeah.
Can you repeat the question?
I said, I spent $40 for buying a pair of shoes, and Dikshita spent $120 for buying a pair of shoes. How much money did I spend in percentage compared to Dikshita's spend? Or in simpler terms, my spend is what percentage of Dikshita's spend? How would you find it out? Did everybody hear the question clearly? Hey, Pranav. Vivan, Myra, Tanu, did everybody hear the question clearly? Okay. So I'm repeating my question one more time. I said, I spent $40 for buying a pair of shoes, wherein Dikshita spent $120 for buying a pair of shoes. My spend is what percentage of Dikshita's spend?
Could you repeat that?
Huh?
Could you please repeat that?
One more time.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, Pranav. You saying something?
30%.
30%?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Dikshita, tell me.
30%.
30%. Okay, let's see what Sarvita has to say. Yeah, Sarvita.
Around 30%.
Around 30%.
30%.
Why?
So basically, if you have 120, you can also put that for 40%. So it'll be 12 times 40 by 1 equals a percent.
Now you guys have grown up enough to give me all those lame answers.
So basically, you have to find the answer by the percentage method.
How do you do that? That's what I'm
You
interested
first
in.
have to times the percentage by the whole number, and then you get it divided by.
Okay, so no, okay, these are not convincing enough. So that's why I'm stopping you. Okay, just in the interest.
But 120 times 1 by 40.
Stop it
Is
there.
that correct?
Stop it there.
30% because 30% can equal to 1/3, and so 120 divided by 3 equals 40.
How come 30% is 1/3?
33.3333.
It is 1/3. Yeah. So okay. So let's stop there. Okay. So again, let me read my question one more time. I was saying that I spent $40 for buying a pair of shoes, when Dikshita spent $120 because he wanted a better version of shoe. She wanted a designer shoe or much more durable shoe. She probably went for Hoka. I went for something from the Walmart. Yep. So yeah. So I spent $40 and Dikshita spent $120.
She went to Jordan's.
No. So you guys have to take a call very quickly when you are going the wrong direction. Okay? There is something called timeout, which I don't do for bigger kids. Don't force me to go that path. There will be a timeout and you will not like it. Alright. So now I spent $40, Dikshita spent $120. I am saying my spend is what percentage of Dikshita spent? Okay. Meaning I'm saying this number is what percentage of number B?
33%.
How did you get that?
Because when I divide
40
one
by 120 into 100. This is what will give you 33% or 3.33% or whatever it is. So this is the percentage thing. Basically, if you have one number, if you have to find out that number is what percentage of another number, this is how you do it. You put the number in target as your numerator, divide that by the number which is against which you are trying to find out the percentage, and then you multiply by 100. But it is as good as out of your hands down. You have annoyed me enough. to not let you talk. Because the more I let you talk, less productive you will be. Okay. Now, telling this formula doesn't hold any meaning now. Now let's go back to the basic. I'm saying this is what percentage of some other number. When you say percentage, what does it mean? Per 100. Per 100. Meaning out of 100.
Cent.
Out of 100. If I said 100, I said 100. Admit you also have to control your emotions, okay? You act innocent, but you make a lot of mischievous mistakes, which is not needed. Now, I'm saying this number is what percentage of some other number. Now let's look at it. Meaning, percentage per 100. Meaning, when Dikshita is spending 120, I'm spending 40. When Dikshita spends $1, how much I'm spending? If I have a deal with Dikshita, then okay, whatever she spends, if she spends 120, I'll spend 40. So what is the deal? If I go with same ratio, if Dikshita spends $1, how much will I spend if I go by the same rule?
33 cents.
Don't tell me that answer, tell me this answer. This is what I'm interested in.
Before
Yeah? That is how you get 33 cents, correct?
Yeah.
Now I'm saying, when Dikshita spends $100, how much will I spend?
times 100.
Times 100. This is what becomes your formula for calculating one number as a percentage of another number.
Write the missing number for how much it equals to.
Can you think and then ask? Let me repeat myself. I said, I'm trying to find out my spend is what percentage of Dikshita spend. Meaning, when Dikshita spends 100, how much I am spending? That is what will be my percentage. Okay? If I say $20 is what percentage of 50? Meaning, when I am spending 20, what is the percentage that is of 100, of 50? Meaning, what will be the equivalent of 20 when it is 100? Or let's go one step back. I think I got you guys to a place where you started thinking of a solution before thinking about the problem. Now, percent. Per is per and cent is 100. Per 100 how much? Whenever you talk about percentage, that means per 100 how much? If I say 10%, what do I mean is 10 per cent or 10 per 100. Meaning I'm talking about 10 out of 100 scenario. If I say my salary is $2,000 and I will get only 50%. What do I mean? For every 100 I am getting only 50. For every 100 I am getting only 50. That's what it says, 50%. I am going to get 50% of my salary. For every 100 I am getting only 50. So if I am supposed to get 1, how much I am getting? 50 by 100? For 100 if I am getting 50, if it was 1, how much I would have got? 50 by 100? If I am talking about 2000 being my salary, how much I am going to get? Whatever I am going to get for 1 multiplied by 2000. That is how you calculate 50% of 2000. Again, hear me out. 10% means 10 per 100. Meaning if you talk about 100, you are going to get only 10. That is what 10% is. If somebody says, if my boss gets super angry with me and says, okay fine, this month you will get only 50% of his salary. If my salary is 2,000, how much I'm going to get? How will I find it out? 50% simply means, 50% means, if I was supposed to get 100, I'm going to get 50 this time. If I was supposed to get 1, I would get only 50 by 100. This 100 you can say 1 into 100, right? And this 100 goes to the base. So for 100 I'll get 50. If I was supposed to get $1, I'll get 50 by 100, which will be 1/2 of that. So if my salary was 2,000, I'm going to get whatever I was supposed to get for 1 times 2,000. So 50 by 100 times 2,000. Is this making sense, or I'm kind of making it sound complicated?
It makes sense.
Okay. So if you say 30%, 20%, 100%, 50%, this is how you interpret. If I say you will get 10% discount, meaning for every $100 you will get $10 discount. If I say 30% benefit, meaning for every 100 I'm going to get $30 extra. If I say bank is giving me 15% interest, meaning for every dollar I put in the bank will give me $15 extra. If I say Thanksgiving is offering, in Thanksgiving, Gap is giving 45% discount, meaning if I buy something for $100, Gap will give me $45 back. Is this making sense?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, percent is just a representation against 100. When you say 20%, meaning 20 for 100. Now here comes the calculation. You go to Walmart, and Walmart, let's say it's a time of Christmas, so Walmart is saying 20% discount on everything that you buy. You went and picked up a cake, okay, in the bakery section, which is priced at $8. Okay? Walmart is saying 20% discount. Do you think Walmart is going to give you $20 discount for $8 cake?
Yeah.
Try doing it once. Here's the question again. You rushed for answer very quickly. And that is none of your business, for God's sake. I said, Walmart is saying 20% discount on everything on a Christmas day. And you went and picked up a cake, which is priced at $8. Will Walmart give you $20 discount?
Wait,
No.
what?
Because
You said yes. No. Just answer yes or no.
no.
No. I got my answer. Stop it there. Okay. Anybody? I'm saying Walmart is offering 20% discount on the occasion of Christmas. I went and picked up a cake which is priced at $8. Will Walmart give me $20 discount? No.
No.
Now the question is why? And you are not only one. Answer. And you earn those chances. You never earn your chances. You keep on losing your chances by doing things that you're not supposed to do. First of all, you were just making or cracking some stupid jokes and you were laughing. That is called disrespect to the teacher. You know that? So you lost few chances there. So when you lost, you have to wait till you earn it back. And earning comes hard way, okay? So hold it there. Now, the question for everybody here is, why you think the Walmart told me 20% discount? I'm picking an $8 cake. Why I'm not giving $20 discount? First of all, Walmart will not give you money for buying things. Okay? If you're saying that I'm buying something, you have to pay. That's the only way to buy. Right, Vasundhara? Yeah? Now, we have to get our understanding right. 20%. It says that for every 100, 20%, 20 per 100. So if you are buying something for 100, then only you get $20 discount. You are picking up something which is priced $8. Why would Walmart give you $20 discount on $8 stuff? It is as good as you getting $12 from Walmart for buying a cake from Walmart. And the day Walmart starts doing it, they will close Walmart and that will become a boba shop. Okay? Now coming back to a serious discussion. So for 20% means if you are buying something for $100, you will get $20 discount or 25 every 100. Since you are picking up something for $8, you have to find out how much discount you will get. $100 gives you $20 discount. How much $1 will give? 20 by 100. Is this part clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's a $20 cake, will you get it for free?
Think about the question. If you ask stupid questions, I'll give you a stupid answer as well. So, $20 discount, I said 20% discount. Did I say $20 discount? That is where your knowledge of calculating percentage will come handy. That's what we are doing right now. Now, $100, for a $100 thing you'll get $20 discount. That's what 20% means. For 20%, for every 100 you'll get 20. For every 100, for 100 you'll get 20. For 1 you'll get how much? 20 by 100.
20 cents.
Whatever it is. Now for 8, since you're picking up $8 stuff, for $1 whatever you get, let's say one banana is priced 50 cents. 5 banana will cost you how much? 50 into 5. 10 banana will cost you how much? 10. 50 into 10. Similarly, for every $1 you are getting 20 by 100 discount. So for $8 you will get. You don't have to keep on murmuring when I am talking. For $8 you will get whatever is for 1 times 8. And this tells you how much discount you are going to get. This becomes 8 by 5, like 1.6. So if you were supposed to buy a cake worth $8, since you have a discount going on, you will pay $1.6 less. So instead of 8, you will pay 8 minus 1.6, which becomes 6.4. Again, this calculation is not the idea. The idea is to understand how do you relate percentage. Now, let's look at another situation. Now, coming back to your question, Advik, you were saying 20% discount. If I am picking up a $20 cake, will I get it for free? And that was one of the most stupid questions coming from somebody who has already learned percentage, your hands down. For $100 you will get $20 discount. For $1 you will get 20 by $100 discount. For $20 you will get 20 by 100 into $20 discount. What is the discount you will get? 2 into 2, $4. Don't assume Walmart to be fool to make you happy.
No, so basically, so if a price.
There's no basically. Stop it there. Not needed. This question is unnecessary. Eat up time, everybody's time. When there is a valid situation, I will let you ask. Now, so this percentage, whatever we saw, I said $100 gives you $20 discount in case of 20%. $1 gives you 20 by 100 discount. $8 gives you 20 by 100 into 8. $20 product will give you 20 by 100 into 20 discount. Now look at this whole situation. 20% of 8. 20% of 20. If I am picking up something which is priced at 65, how much discount I'll get? 20 by 100, which is for 1 multiplied by 65. So look at this, 20% of 65. This becomes our formula actually. So if you have a number, let's say 60, and you have to find out 30% of it. 30% of 60. You think about it like English, simple. 30% of, this is also read as of, multiplying, of 60. See?
I can't see the 60.
Yeah? 30% of 60. If somebody says, okay, find out 20% of 89. So 20% of 89. This is what we derived as a formula. Whatever we were doing before, right? 20% as in 100, 20 for 100. 1 will be 20 by 100. And then let's say we're talking $5 stuff, 20 by 100. Whatever is the value for 1 times 5. 20% of 5. That is how we came to this formula. So hereafter, whenever you have to calculate a percentage, you will use this method. So if I say, during Thanksgiving, Nike is giving you 28% discount. Or let's say 30% discount for sake of simplicity. 30% discount. Nike is offering that from 20th to 30th November, all the Nike shoes, they are giving 30% discount. You picked up a shoe which is priced at $120. Find out how much you have to pay for buying this shoe.
Repeat it again.
Can you read the board?
30% of 20th to 30th November. You spend $120. How much have you spent it on?
So let me complete this question for you guys.
I got it.
Wow.
It is $84.
Okay, so I'll come back to this one. I have not completed the question yet. I was saying that. Do you get any brownie points for rushing through anything? No. So you don't rush. I'm saying Nike is offering 30% discount on each and every product from 20th to 30th November. Okay? Now deal with this word problem. Pay attention here. There's nothing on the roof. Everything is here. There is a shoe priced at $120. If I go to buy it on 28th November, how much I have to pay? If I go on 2nd December, how much I have to pay? Here the question. Nike is offering 30% discount on every product from 20th to 30th November. There is a shoe priced at $120. If I try buying the shoe on 20th November, how much I have to pay? If I try buying the same shoe on 2nd December, how much I have to pay? Now I have said the question twice. I want everybody to try it and tell me what is the price on 20th November and what is the price on 2nd December.
So will the 30% affect on 20th to 30th November?
Solve it and then explain to me. I told the question. You will not be able to discuss every question in the examination hall.
I got it.
Think about
I
it.
got just second question.
Think about and do it. We are not engaging in discussion. I want everybody to focus on doing it. Unnecessary discussions, we have to cut it short. I assume everybody is doing it. Bhuvan, Sanvita, Vivan, Achit, Ashrit, Deekshita, everybody? Did you guys hear the question clearly? Okay. Who did not hear the question? Vivan.
No, sir, I actually clicked it down now.
Okay.
I was about to click the bell button.
Okay, fine. Gitesh, are you doing it?
Yeah, I think I just finished. On
2nd December, I think you're still gonna pay the same price, $120. And on 28th November, I think you're gonna pay $36. I mean, $84.
$84. Okay.
I would just say mention that.
Okay. Okay, so 2nd December, Ritesh is saying $120, and on 28th November, he's saying $84. Anybody else having a different value? Sanvita, Lokshita, Ashrit? Yeah.
I think it's $84 for 20th November
Mm-hmm.
because we have the discount, but I think it's the same price for the 2nd December because there's no discount.
Okay. Moira, have you done it?
I'm doing it right now.
Sanvita, go ahead, beta.
I got the same answer.
That same answer is?
$84 on the 28th of November and $120 on the 2nd of December.
Okay. Alright. So, everybody here, are getting energy from the bulb, right? Okay. So, here's the deal, okay? This question had nothing complicated about it. Okay, so that's why I'm trying, not letting everybody spend time to finish it. But it's 30% discount on the occasion of Thanksgiving from 20th to 30th November. The store is very clear that I will give you discount only during this time, no matter which product you are picking up. And when I went to the store, I found a shoe which was $120, which I liked. So I'm just thinking, shall I buy it now or I'll wait for my next paycheck to buy it? That's where I'm trying to take a call. And I'm trying to figure out how much I'm going to lose if I buy here versus here. So 30% discount. How much? 30%. Per 100 I'm getting $30 discount. For $1 I'm getting 30 by 100 discount. For $120 I'll get 120 times of what I was getting for one. 30 by 100 into 120. This is one way of finding it out. Or simple thing, you by using English. 30% of 120. This is the discount I'm going to get. So you can choose this method or this method, whatever stays with you conceptually. Now from this you found 12 times 3, 36. 36 is the discount.
The total money.
30% is the discount. Meaning whatever was the value, you will get this much discount. So 120 minus 36, which is 84. This is what you will have to pay for buying it. Obviously there will be some taxes on the top of that, but yeah, from price point.
So it'll be 0.0625 for taxes.
Taxes is 0.
Why do you want to waste your energy for something that is not needed?
Taxes
No, no.
is 0.0.
No matter how much it is. Was that your question?
No.
Why you have to waste your energy? Your energy is precious as long as you are using it for right reasons. If you want to start dancing right now, you can do that, but that will be an utter waste of your energy, given this is a math class. Okay. Alright, so everybody is clear, right? Now, let me tweak that. I will say that I went to a store where the price written was price of a t-shirt was written as $25. Okay? But when I went to the cash counter and I was paying for it, the cashier said that I only need to pay $18. How much discount did I get? No time for drama. If you know how to solve it, solve it. Again, I'm repeating my question. When I went to the store, let's say I went to TJ Maxx, and I picked up a t-shirt which was priced $25. That was the value on the price tag. When I took it to the counter for making the payment, the cashier was so very nice. She said that you have to pay only $18. And I was confused. I didn't know how much discount I am getting in percentage. Can somebody help me find it out? Yes, Anvita.
You're getting 28% off of the original price.
And how did you get that?
I multiplied and I divided the prices.
So you have to tell me what you multiplied, what you divided. So you are
Well,
teaching your teacher.
I know that 18 and 25 are $7 apart.
Okay.
So then I did 20. So then I did 7 times 25 divided by 100. No, I did 7 times 25 and then I divided the entire thing by 100.
Yeah, the same thing. 7 times 25 divided by 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that gives you what? 7 by 4. I'll come to you. I'll come to let me hear everybody and come to you. Yeah.
Can I recheck my work?
Yes, please. Yes, Deekshita, tell me.
So I got 28%.
Uh-huh.
So I divided 7. So I divided 7 divided by 25, and I get 0.2828.
Okay. Okay. And that 0.28 became 28% by multiplying by 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see what Vasundhara has to say. Yeah, Vasundhara, you were saying something. No? Pranab? Say that again, Bino? Oh, okay. I
28%.
28%. Yes, Anvita.
Yeah, I divided 7 by 25 and
Okay.
then I multiplied by 100.
Okay. But, yeah, Lakshita, tell me. Lakshita, tell me, beta.
I got 28%.
Same way, 7 by 25 multiplied by 100.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, tell me. Advik, you're saying
I
something.
got 28%.
How?
Because I wrote 28 times 25 divided by 100. And so I marked out the 25 and the 100 and put
I'll write whatever you're saying. Okay, what did you do?
28 times 24 divided by 100. And so I crossed out the 100.
From where did you get 28?
That's the percent.
How do you get 28? I never get 28 here, right?
I guess.
No. So that, see,
I didn't understand how to do it.
you did not understand how to do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay,
I
then
did.
that's why. See, I'm not trying to prove anybody right or wrong. This exercise that I'm doing right now, when I'm asking you guys to solve the problem, I'm trying to understand your approach, how you're approaching this problem. Because percentage will remain percentage. Per 100, that is the one line and the only line that you have to remember. Everything else will be based on how you interpret and calculate. Okay, yeah. So, okay, Arav, you said you did not know how to do it, so you pay attention here. We have probably 15 more minutes for the class.
Actually, there's 17 more minutes in the class.
15 or 17, does it add much value?
About.
So, okay, so don't waste your energy and time talking about things which is not very important. Now I heard that, okay, I have, yes, Deekshita.
I found like another method
What is that?
So I did 25 minus 18 and you get 7. Then I did 7 divided by 25 and I get 0.28 and then I times that by 100 you get 28%.
Right. So, yeah, Vasundhara. Doing the same thing? Now, all that you guys told me, I don't think there is anything wrong with that, okay? You guys are perfectly fine. But, now, pay attention everybody, okay? Now look at the most stupid way of solving this problem. I'm reading the question again. Price of the t-shirt was $25 and the cashier asked me to pay only 18. And again, I'm not talking about taxes and all, don't get confused. I'm saying because I was supposed to pay 25, I was asked to pay only 18. So from this thing I can clearly see that the cashier is being nice enough to offer me some discount. How much is the discount? 25 minus 18. So $7. I'm getting $7 discount. Yeah. I picked up a t-shirt worth $25 and I'm getting $7 discount. Yeah. Meaning for a $25 thing, I'm getting a $7 discount. Yeah. We are trying to find out how much percentage discount I'm getting. Meaning per 100 I'm getting how much? For 25 I'm getting $7 discount. I'm trying to find out percentage per 100. Meaning for every 100 how much discount I'm getting?
7.
For $25 I'm getting $7 discount. I'm trying to find out the percentage. Meaning per 100 I'm getting how much? Per 25 I'm getting 7. So for $1 how much I would get? This much? Yeah. For $25 I'm getting 7. So for $1 I get less, right? How do I get less? By dividing
Times it by 4.
24.
And then you times it by 4.
Keep it shut for a little bit. I'm not in a hurry. I don't want to say that, okay, class is over, you guys go. Right? So why you have to rush? Concept comes with peace of mind when you make your brain work, not by churning your brain for no reason. For $1, I'm getting 7 by $25 discount. So for $100, how much I will get? I will get 100 times of what I'm getting for what? Yeah? 7 by 25 times 100. Look at this. From whole thing, okay? What was given? $25 was the price. I had to pay $18, meaning I got $7 discount. Meaning for something priced at 25, I got $7 discount. What is the question here? What is the percentage discount I'm getting? Percent, as soon as you hear the term percent, that is for per 100 I'm getting how much? For 25 I'm getting 7. For what I will get? Less than 7? 7 by 25. Now for 100 how much I will get? Whatever I'm getting for $1 times 100 is what I will get for 100. This is what I got. Now everybody got the right answer. No denying that. What I'm saying here is this becomes a formula for any calculation in future. See, I was trying to find out 7 is what percentage of 25, right? $7 discount was what percentage of the 25, right? What do I have? 7 is the numerator, 25 is the denominator, times 100. I got $7 discount for $25 price, and this is how I did the calculation and found this one. When I look at this calculation carefully, that is why I keep stopping you guys from doing all nonsensical calculation, because you will miss the main message from this thing. I'm saying $7 discount for a $25 price gives me this percentage. Can I derive a formula out of it? this is my discount amount, this is my original price. By putting the discount amount in the numerator and the actual value in the denominator, multiplying that by 100, tells me the percentage. Tomorrow, if somebody says, I will not do this much of calculation always, because I build the concept once and reuse it over and over again. Now, if I say, I got, yes, Pranav.
So can we do 7 over 25 equals to x over 100?
Yeah, I mean that's what I'm coming to. I'm giving you a generic formula based on what we saw just now, right? So, if today I say, okay, fine, I picked up something for, let's say, $40. If something is priced at 40, I have to pay only $32. How much percentage discount I'm getting? We saw this 7 by 25 times 100 thing, right? This was my discount, this was my original price, and by this we got the formula. So, whatever is the discount or whatever number you are trying to find the percentage against the base, put this as numerator, this as denominator, multiply by 100. That is how you get the percentage. This value, this guy's percentage against this guy. Okay. So now, if you want to see 40 by 32, if I say how much price, what percentage I am paying, or I am saying 32 is what percentage of 40. Same thing. 32 is what percentage of 40. Any number, if you want to find out this is what percentage of another number, you put the number in the numerator, the target number in the denominator, multiply by 100. This will give you the percentage. So there are two things with percentage that you have to remember.
But they're like 80%.
I'm not interested in that at all. You know it, right? This is probably 1 year and few months now. And I've told you guys 100 times, I don't really care about the answer. That doesn't excite me. What excites me is the approach that you guys learn. Now, when you talk about percentage, there are essentially two things that you have to have as a takeaway. First scenario is when you have to find out X percentage of something. Okay? Meaning, if I say 20% of 800, 20% of 800, 20% of 800, and you calculate it that way. I say 30% of 900, 30% of 900. Just do it. Second thing is, you have X as what percent of Y. Any number is what percent of Y. Let me put a big question mark here. X as what percent of what? So you put X as the numerator, Y as the denominator, and multiply that by 100. This does the calculation for you.
What does the first one say for the X% of what?
Something.
Oh, something.
X percent of Y. Let's say X percent of Y.
Okay, I did it too.
So X percent of Y. So there are two scenarios when you have to find out certain percentage of a number. Certain percentage of a number. Do this. If you have to find out a number is what percentage of another number. So that number is what percentage of another number multiplied by 100. This is how you do it. Right? Like we saw, $25, for $25 I'm getting 7 discount. So for $100 I'm getting, for $1 I'm getting 7 by 25 discount. For $100 we are getting 7 by 25 into 100. So 7 is what percentage of 25? That's what you are seeing here. So there are two essential calculations that you will do with respect to percentage. Yeah? Who's saying stop yapping? I see something is saying stop yapping. I don't know from where it is coming.
Who said stop yapping?
Was that a direct question to you?
No. Oh yeah. No. That was too heavy with mine.
Happy?
Because
Happy wasting time, everybody's time? Yeah?
she's not.
Alright. So, basically, coming back to the class. When you talk about percentage, these are essentially two types of calculations you will do. When you have to find out X percentage of something, X percentage of something, X percentage of something, or X is what percentage of another thing. X is what percentage of another thing. So whichever number is in contention, that will be a numerator, and whichever number against which you are trying to calculate the percentage will be a denominator times 100, like what we saw in this case. On that, okay. So here, first thing that you have to keep in mind is when you say percentage, I don't know whether it's AI or somebody in the class doing it, but I keep seeing the messages popping up in the bottom corner of this one. Yeah, Gitesh.
Sir, it's in the QA thing.
Yeah,
Like,
that's fine. Leave it. I mean, not important. Not important for us. Not important for us. Leave it. So, I mean, as long as you guys are not doing it, I'm fine. AI is a nuisance, nothing else. So now coming back to this one, with respect to percentage, there are two things that you have to always keep in mind. One is percent per 100. So everything is compared against 100. If you are talking about certain percent of some number, you can calculate this way. If you are talking about finding out a number is what percentage of another number, this is how the calculation goes. And again, this is not coming from nowhere. It comes from the calculation that we are doing. We saw that $7 discount for $25 price. We were trying to find out how much would be the discount for $100 price. And from that we got this formula, which we are making a generic formula. So tomorrow if I say I was supposed to get, let's say, $5,000 as salary, but I got only 3,500. How much percentage did I get? So I'm saying this number is how much percentage of this number. That's what I'm trying to say. And the calculation would be 35, the number that we're trying to find out the percentage for, against what number, what percentage of this number times 100. And from this you will find that this is nothing but, so I got to 70% of what I was supposed to get. Similarly, if I say something was priced at $8, I had to pay only 6.4. What percentage did I pay? Meaning, this is what percentage of this number. So this number goes as a numerator and this number goes as a denominator times 100. And do the calculation, you will find out. So any number as what percentage of another number, this is how you calculate. And we saw it, how that relates to the basic concept of percent. Any questions here so far? No, for you that question itself doesn't hold any water, because you ask questions which is not productive for you and everybody else. Start working through that. Yes, Pranav.
So can't we do x over 100 instead of just multiplying by 100?
No, you cannot. X over 100 will not help you, right? X over 100 will not help. See, you can always think. Let's take that salary example. I was saying I was supposed to get $5,000, I got only $3,500. What percentage did I get? See, when I was supposed to get $5,000, I got $3,500. Look at it like a story. Now, if I was supposed to get $1, how much I would have got? Well, same theory. 3,500 divided by 5,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we are trying to find out percentage, meaning we are trying to find it against 100. So for 1 I got this much. If I was supposed to get 100, how much I would have got? This much.
So times 100.
Whatever is the value for 1 times 100.
Yeah.
So this number is what percentage of this number? Times 100. That becomes a generic approach. Any number 4 is what percentage of 5. So put 4 in the numerator, 5 in the denominator, times 100. You'll get it. Yeah? 3 is what percentage of 6? 3 is what percentage of 6? 3 by 6 times 100. You'll get it. Yeah? Make sense?
50.
Yeah.
So that is on percentage. There was one more thing that is called rates that we were supposed to cover today, but I don't think we have time left for that. So we'll cover that in the next class. And that will complete first 2 units of what we wanted to cover by next week. So we are pretty much on track.
Are we just focused on more about rational numbers?
What is that?
Are you focusing on the unit